It's here, Charlie! What's up, everybody, guys? Today I have got another package I'm gonna test out. I was gonna say unbox, but it's a bag. As you can tell already, it came from Amazon. This was my most recent impulse purchase. In fact, I think this might have been another Instagram ad. It was. I got suckered in. Guys, when I'm super vulnerable at nighttime when I'm on the couch, that's when the ads seem to hit me. I fall for it every freaking time. Today's no different. You already know what it is because you see the title of this video, but inside this bag is a shirt that you cannot stain. We are gonna go right here, actually not that far, like right there. And I want to share with you guys the tests I'm gonna run on this shirt to see how legit it is. Let's go over there. Bye. There's a hair, there's legit a hair on the mic if you can see that. Okay, so basically what, sorry. Flowers, am I right? Literally just included that shot just so you know that I've got some sort of plant life in my house. That was for the vegans out there. Let's go ahead and open this up. Little note. It says, shipping receipt. Okay. This right here is a shirt. It's Beverly. Sounds like I'm trying to say Beverly with an accent. Beverly. Let's go ahead and open this up, guys. So the whole shtick with this shirt is that apparently you cannot stain it. You can put all this stuff that should stain a white shirt, but it won't stain the shirt. So I wanted to test this out. It is called a hydrophobic shirt. Super stretchy, kind of like Under Armour or something, but super elastic. I also want to mention, this shirt cost me $70, so I swear to God, if I get a stain on it now, I'm gonna be so pissed because it cost me 70 bucks. Let's go over here for the next part, just because we're on a roll with like switching scenes, you know? And I also got my place just cleaned for the first time ever, like professionally, and I'm just like, I wanna show you guys. Okay, come over here. Now I wanna talk about the tests that I'm gonna run. These are super scientific tests. You don't wanna mess around with this stuff. If you're sitting at home wearing a white shirt right now, you might want to look away. Things could get pretty messy, okay? Now for my studies, I decided to go on Google and type in things that stain. I found a list of things that actually do stain, and I went out and I bought all of those things. A bottle of ketchup. Tomatoes, everything red usually does stain, so we went with ketchup. Some fruit juice. This is cranberry juice. I decided to go with orange juice as well. Maybe you guys have like babysat like a kid who always has a shirt with like, I just feel like orange juice somewhere spilt on it. So that's why I went with orange juice. We got a bottle of moutarde. Mustard is like the king of friggin' staining shirts. And then we got some chocolate syrup. Because again, chocolate syrup stains. It's the same shit for all of them. They all stain. And to top it all off, a bottle of red wine. This right here is my squad. This is squad goals. We are gonna take the shirt as well as a plain white shirt, toss it in my shower, which by the way, just got frickin' clean. It's kind of like a big deal. I'm like, I saved my money. I'm like, guys, shut up. Seriously, shut up. You guys wanna you guys want to come over and clean my house and I'll pay you? So I'm really thrilled about that, guys, okay? Let's do it. Let's go over to the bathroom. All right, let me show you the setup, okay? Here's what we got. We're gonna do each shirt one by one. This is the non-hydrophobic shirt, okay? Plain white with a ring light. So we're gonna shoot, get nice close-up shots. Oh, it's gonna be gorgeous. Let's smell the flowers. Oh, it's so great. Let me smell Charlie for a second here. Oh, you need a bath, man. I'm kidding, I freaking love you. First up, ketchup. I'm gonna miss this shirt. I've had so many like good times in this shirt. It's like a box though, it fits so friggin' weird. Let's do the next one. God, it smells like cranberry mustard right now. It's so gross. Oh, it smells like pure orange juice right now. Red wine, finish it off. I feel like I'm making art right now. Look at it blend with the orange juice. That's awesome. All right, test subject 1 is now complete. We got ketchup, mustard, cranberry juice, orange juice, chocolate sauce, and wine. That shirt, the back of that shirt should be absolutely stained. But let's bring in test subject number 2. Initiate $70 shirt, might I add. A $70 shirt I'm about to mess up. What the f? That didn't repel it at all. That is disappointing. I swear to God that better not stain or I'm getting my money back. Maybe if I jiggle it? Mustard. Oh, wow, it actually is working. I don't know if you can see that. Look at that. Weird, it's working. It's like it's sort of sliding right off. This is actually the first test that is actually a liquid. This stuff was kind of like jelly. It should absolutely repel this. What the, yo? Holy shit. Yo, look at this. And it's wiping that off, watch. Oh my God. Yo, mind blown. That is so sick. And the mustard and ketchup coming right off. It's like not staying on. This is so crazy. Nothing. Shut your friggin' face. Look at that. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Oh. Kind of a letdown. Oh, that's cool. Whoa! Whoa! What a weird effect. I'm gonna leave that and see if it all wipes off. Let's leave it for a couple minutes. Okay, it's time for our final test. Red wine, baby. Oh, I just got the mustard. Nothing. What the f? That is so cruel. That is cool as hell. Next what we're gonna do is spray both of them down with water and see what sticks. Oh my God, this is my bathtub right now, guys. Keep in mind, it was just cleaned. That is a mixture of all the stuff. Oh, look at that shirt. This is about 20 minutes later. It looks like the red wine actually may have stained a bit. This one is totally destroyed. All right, we're gonna go ahead and take the shower head. Oh my God, that was the wine. Shoot, did I break my bathtub? Take that shower head, rinse down both these shirts and see what happens afterwards. That's disgusting. Yo, that red wine really messed this shirt up. Okay, mission accomplished. His shirt is definitely stained. Right off. All right, this shirt looks pretty good for the most part. There is a little mustard stain that I'm wondering if that'll come out. Non-treated shirt, treated shirt. Okay, so this shirt is clearly stained, but I think, oh no, it's dripping. I'm gonna put this in the dryer. I don't know if I should. I know at home you guys are like, don't do that, Dan, but can't hear you. I'm doing what I want. I'm my own man. Let's dry it for like 20 minutes, see what happens. Hey, okay, so listen, it's been probably about an hour actually that has been chilling in here, so it better be dry. Yeah, oh my, look at that mustard stain. Who knew it stained that vibrant? Let's check out the hydrophobic shirt. It looked like it did pretty decent, to be honest, but I think there may be some stains in there. And here we have the hydrophobic. Look, it's such a difference, man. They both were treated the exact same way. This is a non-hydrophobic shirt. This is a hydrophobic shirt. And this is not a sponsorship either. It's just, this shirt did really well. There are some stains. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up. I might have to lower. Got a little, you see, you can kind of see it there. You can kind of see the mustard right here. And then right here, it's like a dark circle. There's like a dark circle spot there. Overall, did it work? Yes, worked amazing. This shirt, I think, is meant to repel accidental spills. Not as intense and aggressive that I did in the bathroom there. This shirt would definitely pass a test. This one would be like, yo, rest in peace. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like and be sure to subscribe to my channel. You do not want to miss Sunday's video. I don't know how else to say this, guys, but I've waited over a year to find a place that I could buy what is inside of this package right here. I think this is one of the coolest things ever. It is so awesome. That'll be coming out Sunday, so you do not want to miss that. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification button so you guys will hopefully get emails when I have a video coming out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys later.